so interesting. I love it, to be honest. I really, really love it. It's
Okay.
like so interesting for me to talk to people like yourself because I've never been to India. Oh,
Hello. Yeah.
is this working?
Is it okay?
We,
Finally.
yes, it's
Oh my
finally
God.
working.
Yeah.
It is nice to meet you.
These types of
Finally.
problem you face regularly?
Not regularly, no. Not as bad as this, no. Not as bad
Okay.
as that. Sometimes you get a
Yeah.
little
Yes.
one or two, but
Yeah.
that was unusual. Yes.
Yes.
So how are you?
Yeah. I'm very good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very good as well. So is your name Anand? Am I saying
Yes.
that right?
Yeah. Yeah. You're taking my name it
Nice to
very correctly.
Oh, good. I'm glad to hear. Well, my name is Janine Anand. It's nice to meet you.
Yeah. Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, where
Yeah.
are you from, Anand?
Actually, I'm from India. Uh, I
Ah, wow,
Yeah.
where?
In Maharashtra state. I stay in
Ah,
Maharashtra
okay.
state.
Is that in the north?
No, it is in southern part of India.
Ah,
Southern part of
okay, I
India.
see. Oh,
Yeah.
that's cool.
And where you live?
Okay.
Where you live?
And so, well, I am from Scotland, but
Oh,
I live in Mexico right now.
okay.
So far away from each other.
Yeah,
Yeah,
far
yeah,
away.
very
Yeah.
far away.
Okay. So
So,
how is
Anand, for the 9 minutes that we have, what would you like to focus on? Would you like to keep chatting like this and get to know each
no,
other?
just
Or
want to
I
have
notice you have a plan.
no, just want to have general conversation actually.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah,
Okay, perfect.
fine. So how is
So I interrupted you.
yeah. I was asking you,
So
like I was asking you, apart from Mexico and Scotland, what other countries have you visited?
so I have visited many, many, many countries, but I have lived also in Canada and the
Okay.
Netherlands. I have lived in both those places, but I have visited all over Europe. Traveling is a passion of mine. All
Oh,
over North America, I have been to many places. Yeah. What about you?
yeah, it is very nice. Like actually, Cambly is very nice platform to meet people from another country. So actually, I
Yes,
also
exactly.
got opportunity to understand the cultures of other countries as well. Because I didn't know. Means,
Ah,
yeah, you must be having same experiences as you are a Cambly tutor.
yes,
Yeah,
yes, exactly. I meet people from all over the world, and
yeah.
it's so interesting. I love it, to be honest. I really, really love it. It's
Okay.
like so interesting for me to talk to people like yourself because I've never been to India,
Yes.
so I get an insight to India from
Okay.
you.
So
Yeah. So
majority of
where would you
people.
like to visit?
Sorry. Yeah. Go ahead, please.
Oh, that's okay. No, you know, you go ahead. You were saying the majority of people.
Yeah. Actually, I was going to ask you about means a majority of people of your students that you talk to, from which region they are normally.
From you mean which countries in the world?
Which countries or which region of world, Asian or African or any other
Okay.
part of world?
I would say a lot of people from so the it might be to do with the times that I work during the day, but I have a
Yeah.
lot of students from Saudi Arabia, from
Okay.
Turkey,
Oh.
from India as well, and not I haven't met very many people from Africa. I've
Okay.
met only a couple, but yes, a lot of people from the Middle East,
Okay.
and a few Europeans. Europeans are not as common, but yes, but
Hmm.
a lot of really interesting people.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that sounds great. Actually, perhaps
Yeah,
you
it's
have been talking with every part of the world.
not every part yet. Not every part yet. Definitely not. No, definitely not. I will make a map and I will tick off people that I speak to in different countries.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, you should do that.
But I've not met anybody from the region that you're at in India. That
Okay.
you are the first person I met from the region.
Oh, it is
So
nice.
you must tell me about it. What is it like?
Uh, Actually, you haven't. What you listen about India? What is your thoughts about India, or what
What
you
have I
have?
heard?
Hmm?
What I've heard that it's hugely diverse, that it
Yes.
has so many different landscapes, so many different types of people, so many different religions. Like
Yeah.
I've heard that it's just hugely, hugely diverse and interesting.
Oh, nice.
That's what I've heard.
Nice to hear that. Actually,
Yeah.
you
And
told
good
everything
things, really.
correct. Yeah, yeah. You are correct about India. Actually, there are a lot of religion out
Good.
there. Yeah, there are a lot of religions here. A lot of different people. It is very diverse city, diverse country, as you told. Like every
Ah,
yeah, there are a lot of languages that speak in India. More than 800 languages are there in
what?
India.
800. Wow, that
Yeah,
is so many. Oh my goodness. I didn't realize it was as many as that. Wow.
yeah.
What languages do you speak?
My mother tongue is Marathi. Marathi.
Marathi.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Marathi.
Yes. That is. This is my regional language actually. Marathi is my regional language. And apart from that, we have different regions here in India, and everyone has their own regional language. And apart from that, we have Hindi as our national language. You can say that. And apart from that, we
Okay.
have a official language as English also.
Yes, I
Yeah,
have heard that, right? I have heard that people are taught English. They go on the English track at school and
yeah,
then
yes.
they speak English perfectly because have you done that yourself? Have you been on an English track at school?
No, actually, I was in a means regional school only, regional language school. But after my 10th class, my whole study was in English language only. My
Ah, I see. Well,
university, yes. In university,
that
I
makes sense
studied.
because your English is really good.
Thank you for that. But I wish to improve more because I want to get more fluent in English while talking. But I'm practicing it, and
Hmm.
I'm really seeing improvement in myself uh, while I practice it.
Good.
Oh.
Good. I'm glad to hear that. What's your goals for improving your English? What's your desire?
Actually, I don't have a specific goal, but I love to talk with people like you around the different countries. Actually, lately I started this conversation on Cambly, but previously it was like
Uh-huh.
just for the curiosity because I don't have people around me where I can speak or where I can practice much English here. So that's the
Yes.
reason I joined Cambly. And after joining Cambly, it is like fun for me actually to talk with people. Actually, yeah. Actually, I felt that, and now actually I'm enjoying this thing to talk with people around the world. So it is like that. It's just
Oh,
going. Yeah.
good. I like that. So you're a sociable person then, it sounds like. I like that.
Yeah, actually, I'm liking it now. Previously, I did not think about it, but now
Hmm.
at least I know that it is good. Like, uh, as means I'm improving my English as well as I'm making friends, or I am getting information from every part of the world.
Yes, exactly. And it's so interesting. I mean, well, do you have any questions about Scotland or Mexico? Because I can tell you
Hmm.
many things, and the Netherlands and Canada. I've lived in so many places. I
Yeah,
can tell
actually,
you so many things.
okay, just tell me about your Scotland. What exactly means, in which region Scotland is, and what are the
Oh,
people do, and what are the culture? What is,
well, it's, oh, go on. What is?
how is the culture and how are the people there?
Well, we have less than a minute, so that's hard to sum up in less than a minute. But I would say that
Yeah.
Scottish people are friendly, but also a bit aggressive. They have a problem with alcoholism, definitely. But they're also very like fun and happy people. They're interesting. Like I would love to talk again, and I can tell you in detail all about my
Yeah.
culture because
Yes, yes,
I can never squash it into 30
yes, yes.
seconds.
I will connect to you
But we
tomorrow also.
yes, that would be really nice. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
please do. You can
I
call
also
me
want to
again.
talk to you. Yes, yes.
Okay, good. Then
So
I
it
hope
is
we
like
connect again.
call is about to end. Yeah, but nice talking with you.
Yes, and we
Good.
lost. Yes, same here. Yes, and
Yes,
hopefully we
yes,
can get back that 5 minutes we lost last time.
yes, yes. Sure, sure. Tomorrow.
See you next
Bye.
time.
Yeah,
Yes, see
thank
you
you.
tomorrow.
Yes,
Thank
bye.
you.
Yeah.